This is a how-to video on setting up and using the VHS to DVD converter. There are two ways to connect your TV to the converter. You can use the AV cables or the HDMI cable. Here is how to connect the AV cables. Here is how to connect the HDMI cable. Now turn on your TV and the converter to begin the process of converting your VHS tape to DVD. Press the source button to switch from DVD to VCR. Insert your VHS tape. Rewind or fast forward to the part of the tape you want to record. Switch source from VCR to DVD, then insert your blank DVD. The TV will show your disc loading. To start recording, keep source on DVD, then press dedubbing. Recording is done in real time. When the recording has finished, press stop on the machine or the remote. The DVD must be finalized to play on a standard DVD player. Once writing to the disc reaches 100%, press the setup button on the remote. A menu will pop up. Then press the DVD menu option. Press finalize, then click yes. The disc will now finalize. Once finalizing is complete, your disc will be ready to be played on a standard DVD player.